Alright, so today we're looking at consonant N with we'll um, we'll look at what this means. So it's pronounced like the NY in the word canyon. Alright, so let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Niño,
Niño. Alright, so whenever you have this symbol over N, it's pronounced like NY. So in this case, it's niño.
niña,
Niña. Niña. Nin,
niña,
Niña, which is a girl, and niño is a boy.
año,
Año is a year. Año means a year.
Señor,
Señor is gentleman.
señora,
Señora is lady.
señorita,
Señorita is young lady. So remember that we are pronouncing it as NY, right? So
Listen and repeat.
niño,
niño is boy.
niña,
Niña is girl.
año,
Año is year.
señor,
Señor is gentleman.
señora,
Señora is lady.
señorita,
Señorita is young lady.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, this is from Latin America.
niño,
Niño is boy.
niña,
Niña is girl.
año,
Año is year.
señor,
Señor is gentleman.
señora,
Señora is lady.
señorita,
Señorita is young lady.
Listen and repeat.
Alright, so looks like we have completed this exercise. Again, we'll find out what this symbol means, but when we see this, it means you're pronouncing it like NY. So the next video I'll be looking at diphthong, and again, yet another diphthong, IO. So until then, see you next time.